Are you looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way? It's a question that resonates with many of us. In our journey to shed those extra pounds, it's essential to remember that healthy weight loss is not merely about reducing numbers on the scale. It's about nurturing our bodies, enriching our lives, and embracing a balanced diet that fuels our daily activities while keeping us fit. Today we're delving into the world of food, not as an enemy but as an ally. We're not talking about bland, restrictive meals. Rather, we'll introduce you to 10 fantastic foods that are not only delicious but can also help you lose weight in a healthy way. These foods are packed with nutrients, high in fiber and low in calories. They'll keep you satisfied, boost your metabolism, and help you maintain a healthy weight. Ready to learn about these remarkable foods? Let's get started. Starting off our list is the ever-popular avocado. This creamy green fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients and a boon for those looking to lose weight. Avocados are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Moreover, they're packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats your body needs. These fats are not only heart healthy but also help control your blood sugar levels, keeping your hunger in check. But how can you incorporate avocados into your diet? Well, the options are endless. You can add slices to your sandwiches or salads, mash them up for a nutritious guacamole, or even blend them into your morning smoothie for a creamy texture. Some even enjoy avocados as a healthier substitute for butter on toast. So avocados not only taste good but also help in shedding those extra pounds. Next on our list are whole eggs. Don't let their small size fool you. These little powerhouses are a goldmine of nutrition. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, eggs are an excellent choice for those looking to shed some weight. Here's the deal with protein. It's essential for maintaining lean muscle mass, which in turn stokes your metabolic rate, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. And guess what? Eggs are one of the best sources of protein you can find. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in vital nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which are key for bone health and brain function respectively. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer them boiled, poached, scrambled, or even as an omelet, there's an egg dish for every palate. Incorporating whole eggs into your diet can make your weight loss journey not just effective, but also delicious. Eggs, a simple food packed with nutrients and perfect for weight loss. Let's now move to leafy greens. A powerhouse of nutrition, leafy greens are a must-have in your weight loss diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which means you can eat a lot of them without piling on the pounds. Plus, their high volume can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacks. Think beyond just lettuce. There's a whole world of leafy greens out there, each with its unique flavor and nutritional profile. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens, and arugula are all excellent choices. Incorporating these into your diet is easy and versatile. Toss them in your salads, blend them into your smoothies, or lightly sauté them as a side dish. You can even sneak them into your pasta sauces or scrambled eggs. Remember, the key to a successful weight loss journey is variety and balance. So, mix and match your favorite leafy greens and keep your meals interesting. Leafy greens, a low-calorie option that keeps you full and satisfied. Next, we have two types of fish, salmon and tuna. Both of these finned friends are swimming with benefits that could aid in your weight loss journey. Let's delve into why these two are such superstars. First up, we have salmon. This robust pink fish is known for its high protein content. Protein is essential for weight loss as it can regulate your appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. But that's not all. Salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Now let's turn to tuna. Like salmon, tuna is packed with protein and low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. It also boasts high levels of vitamin B and selenium, contributing to overall health and well-being. So whether you're grilling a salmon steak or tossing some tuna into a salad, these fish offer a versatile and delicious way to boost your weight loss efforts. Incorporate these fish into your diet for a tasty and effective weight loss aid. The next foods on our list are beans and legumes. These humble kitchen staples pack a powerful punch when it comes to weight loss. Why, you ask? Well, it's their high fiber content that takes the crown. Fiber is a nutrient that promotes a feeling of fullness, helping you to eat fewer calories without even trying. Let's talk about some types of beans and legumes. You've got your classic black beans, chickpeas, lentils, and even soybeans, each with their unique flavors and nutritional profiles. Now, how can we incorporate these into our meals? It's easier than you think. Toss some chickpeas into your salad for added protein or stir some lentils into your soup for a fiber boost. You could even mash some black beans into a burger patty or blend cooked soybeans into a creamy soup. Beans and legumes, a delicious and filling addition to your weight loss plan. Moving on, let's talk about nuts and seeds. These bite-sized powerhouses are packed with beneficial nutrients. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which are essential for a balanced diet. But what makes them great for weight loss? Well, their high fiber content helps keep you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Consider almonds, for instance. These are not just delicious but also contain a significant amount of fiber and protein. Or take flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to boost heart health. And let's not forget about chia seeds. They can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gel in your stomach that leaves you feeling satisfied for hours. Remember, while nuts and seeds are indeed beneficial, they are also high in calories. So moderation is key. Nuts and seeds, a crunchy and satisfying snack that aids weight loss. Last but not least, we have whole grains. A powerhouse of nutrition, whole grains are packed with fiber, a component that not only keeps you feeling full, but also aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. This high fiber content is specifically what makes whole grains a fantastic food choice for weight loss. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, oatmeal, quinoa, and even popcorn. These grains can be easily incorporated into your meals in a variety of ways. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts for breakfast. For lunch or dinner, substitute white rice with brown rice or quinoa for a more nutritious meal. And when you're in the mood for a snack, opt for popcorn instead of chips. Remember, the goal is not just to lose weight but to nourish your body with the right kind of foods. Whole grains, a hearty and healthy choice for weight loss. So, there you have it, 10 foods that can help you lose weight. We've explored the benefits of avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, whole eggs, an excellent source of protein, and leafy greens, packed with vitamins and minerals. We've also discovered the nutritional powerhouses that are salmon and tuna, high in omega-3 fatty acids, and the fiber-rich beans and legumes. We've discussed how nuts and seeds, despite being high in fats, can be an essential part of your weight loss journey thanks to their high fiber and protein content. And let's not forget whole grains, a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates that keep you feeling fuller for longer. These 10 foods are not just great for weight loss, but also contribute to a balanced and nutritious diet. Incorporating these into your meals could make a significant difference in your health and well-being. Remember, the key to healthy weight loss is balance and variety in your diet. Here's to your health and wellness.